30 points were on the table, my target had hit and I didn't exit. This is that trade. What happened, why I held, and what I am changing going forward. Today is Tuesday 19th May 2026 Nifty expiry session. Yesterday was a strong bullish trending day and today CPR was wide. Wide CPR is a signal that the market is likely to be sideways or range bound today, which is something I had already accounted for in my pre-market plan. So coming in today, I had two clear scenarios ready. Scenario 1, if market falls at the beginning of the session, I look for a support trade on 20 EMA or 50 EMA. Scenario B, if market breaks previous day high in an opening itself, I look for a pullback trade. Having this plan ready before 9:15 is something I have been working on consistently, and today scenario B triggered. Nifty opened a few points positive just below previous day high. The very first candle was a bullish candle that broke previous day high and closed above it. Scenario B confirmed, but I didn't jump in immediately. Yesterday was a strong bull run and I wasn't expecting a quick upside continuation today, so I waited for a halt and only then entered my trade. For my first trade, I entered a CE sell trade in 23,750 CE. Now this was an ATM strike at the money, which is significantly different from the OTM 1 strikes I usually prefer. The reason was simple, premiums were very low today being expiry, so ATM made more sense to capture meaningful points. My target was 20 EMA and my stop loss was above swing high, around 10 points. But I want to be honest here, this was a risky trade. ATM on expiry day means that if my pullback logic failed, and market continued upside, the loss could be fast and significant. Risk was acknowledged and entry was taken. And then, the very candle in which my entry happened formed a big bearish candle. Nifty broke down previous day high with a solid red candle. The trade was moving perfectly and my initial target of 20 EMA was hit. 30 points were achieved on my strike, but I didn't exit. Let me explain my thinking at that point because it wasn't random. First, Nifty had broken previous day high with a very strong red candle and then reached 20 EMA. Second, after yesterday's big bull run, profit booking was expected to continue. Third, around 2 crore puts had been withdrawn at this point and 1 crore fresh calls had been added. This OI data was clearly suggesting more downside. Fourth, 23,700 was a strong level which coincided with previous day high and both had been broken by that big red candle. All of this together made me think hold the trade for more. But my logic proved wrong. Nifty didn't make a strong move in either direction. It simply went sideways, neither falling further nor reversing strongly. It came very close to my SL twice, creating a lot of discomfort, and eventually my TSL got hit. I exited the trade at break-even. Total profit in trade 1 was just 68 rupees. 30 points were on the table at 20 EMA. I had 30 points. I held for more. I got 68 rupees. The exit I had originally planned 20 EMA was the correct exit and I overrode. Lesson noted. Now for my second trade, I took a CE sell again in the same strike, 23,750 CE. The setup this time was completely different. Market had been testing a resistance level, the day high, multiple times. 3 times Nifty tried to break that level and failed each time. And then on the 4th attempt it broke but came right back down. A fake breakout. Now, when a level is tested 3 times and fails and then gives a fake breakout at the 4th attempt, that is actually a very strong signal that sellers are firmly in control there. So I entered a pullback trade, 23,750 CE sell with a target of 50 EMA. Market fell after my entry and reached previous day high. 50 EMA was just below previous day high or just a few points away. And at that point, Nifty was clearly taking support on previous day high. It was not going to reach 50 EMA, so I exited here, around 17 points booked. And this was the right call, because after my exit, market started making big spikes in both directions, typical expiry day behavior, and staying in that trade would have eventually hit my SL without any additional benefit. Clean exit, right decision. After trade 2, I didn't take any further trades. Market had become completely range bound and sideways. Previous day high was acting as support, day high was acting as resistance. Nifty was just bouncing between these two levels. On top of that, being expiry days, strikes were making big spikes without any clear direction. Trading in that environment without a clear setup would have been gambling, so I stopped. Overall profit for the day 3,200. Am I satisfied? Honestly, not fully. Because trade 1 alone had the potential to give much more. But the number isn't the real story today. The real story is what I am taking away. 3 lessons from today and all 3 are sharp ones. पहला और सबसे important lesson, in a pullback trade, when your target hits, you exit, full stop. OI data, candle analysis, zone confluence, these are all valid tools, but they should not override a predefined exit in a pullback trade. Pullback trades are not trend trades. They have a specific target and that target must be respected. 20 EMA was my target. It hit. I should have exited. Non-negotiable going forward. दूसरा lesson is never hold a pullback trade expecting it to convert into a trend trade. These two are completely different trades with two completely different logic and two completely different exits. Especially on expiry day, holding beyond your target is an unnecessary risk. तीसरा lesson, and this one is actually positive, the pullback strategy is working. On 15th May, 18th May and today, that is 19th May, all three sessions had successful pullback setups. On 15th of May and 18th May, market went well beyond the target after I exited. The strategy had even more in it. And today market hit the target and reversed. Exactly what a pullback trade is supposed to do. Direction right, logic right, setup right across all three sessions. The strategy is not the problem, the exit is. And now that I have clearly identified the gap, exit will be as planned as the entry every single time. आज का दिन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रियलाइजेशन का दिन था. स्ट्रैटेजी तो सही है, अब एग्जिट को इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट बनाना है, बिकॉज अ गुड एंट्री विद अ बैड एग्जिट इज जस्ट अ मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटी. If today's breakdown added value, feel free to like the video, and if you want to see whether the exit discipline actually holds tomorrow, subscribe and find out. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.